Well, let's move forward now. Warburg Pincus is betting big on India. The head of Asia Private Equity, Vishal Mahadevia, has said that the interest in India has risen significantly in the last 10 years. Speaking to Shireen Bhan on the sidelines at Strides Ventures, navigating the next summit, Mahadevia promised to ramp up the investments in India.
The mood is fantastic. Everyone is looking towards India. They've been looking towards India for a while now. I think the budget and some of the things you mentioned are really important because, one, the core thing of the budget is people were concerned post-elections, will fiscal discipline remain? That remained. And secondly, just the signaling to investors by removing something like the angel tax. It's not a big revenue thing, it doesn't really move the budget, but the signaling itself is massive, and India sits in such a great spot. So I'll just give you an anecdote. 5-10 years ago, I would go to investor meetings in New York, and maybe 2 out of 10 people would be interested in talking about India. Today, that's 9 out of 10. It'll be 10 out of 10. My biggest trouble has always been my partners in the US say, why aren't we investing more in India? And I'm like, I'm trying. We need more opportunities, more entrepreneurs, more help, all that stuff to do. But I think you're going to find an appetite for a lot more capital to continue coming into India. The appetite's there. It's the ground-up opportunity that we need to go out and find. Let me give you a ballpark number of what we've invested. We've probably invested about $5 billion over the last 4 to 5 years in India. It should be multiples of that, otherwise we're not doing our job.